Hi everyone, so this is a how-to video on how to use the site Wix to create a website for your portfolio. Um, so first off, you're going to want to go to wix.com. From there, you're going to want to create a free account. I already have my account and this is what it looks like when you log in. I already created a website for my own curriculum project, but for the sake of creating a new one, we're going to hit create a new site. And there it's going to ask you what kind of website you're creating. For our purposes, we're going to try and create a portfolio. It asks you what type of portfolio. I say general portfolio. From then, it's going to ask you about different add-ons you want to add to your portfolio. These are just extra add-ons, again, that you could add to your website, but these are more for online store bookings if you want to sell anything on your website. But for our purposes, we're just going to hit next. From there, it's going to ask if you wanted to answer a few questions to create a website for you. I'm going to show you how to create a website with the editor. So you're going to hit edit template. From there, it's going to show you many different templates of a portfolio that you could use. For my purposes, I like this one, caught my eye. And then it takes you straight to here where you can actually edit this template and make it your own. What I liked about this is it introduced the person as a college student. You get to see a picture, fun little add-ons. So when you want to edit, you just click twice for any of the paragraphs, titles, and you can edit right on there. You can change the font, the size, the color. To go down, she added her social media, which again, you can change about that. But the important part is they added their resume. Both here, they added experiences from their education to internship to skills and interests that they have. And this is a button, again, to have for their resume. They linked it by pressing the link option. You can link it to a page, which is just referencing a page on this website that you're creating, a web address, a document from your computer, email, whatever way you can get a hold of your resume. From there, we're going to go to the left and we see this little add button. And this is what you're probably going to be utilizing the most. We got strips, which is just meaning the different strip types that you'll see in between your pages. The text from the headings, titles, and then paragraphs if you want to add any more than what your template already has. We got the images. You can upload images from your computer, images from the Wix's website. They have some free ones. They also have ones for purchase. And you could also utilize your social media if you have any pictures there you'd like to use. Just like we saw with the resume, that would be considered a button. Any sort of image, document, icon, you would just want to click add and see view more. And that is where we'd want to, link to, again, another page, a different website, wherever you'd like that little button to go. The other ones are, again, more that you could just add, but for our sakes, we're going to stick with text. You can even add a video. The last few for social media contacts, these are, again, more extra stuff if you want to spice up your portfolio for any events you may be doing, bookings that you have, contacts and forums. The menu is what this looks like right here if you wanted to change what that looked like. Then we have the menu and pages button. This is the important one. This is how we add another page to our website. So the one that I'm on right now is going to be considered home. That is the first page, the first thing they see. If we want to add another page, multiple places to add. and it's going to take you here. So it's going to give you options to, again, utilize the different templates that they have, from about us pages, project pages, or you could just use another blank page. I like the project page, since you guys are going to have many projects in this class that you can utilize and add to your portfolio. So let's try and start adding something to this page. So let's say you're going to add for your curriculum theme project. Part of that, you're going to be making a video, which I'm sure the professor will get into later. So to maybe put your video on here, we're going to go back to add video music. For this sake, it's going to be a YouTube video. That's where it's going to be placed. You can change the video. Again, you could do it from uploading it from your computer. It allows for Venmo, Facebook, and Twitch, all these different platforms. You can search for the video. This is the one I made for my curriculum project. You can make it bigger, you can make it shorter, smaller. And then maybe let's add an image to spice things up that we'd want to go with our curriculum theme projects. So then we're going to go to image. I'm going to add it from my own downloads, but again, it gives the options over here. You can crop, edit your image if there's something unsatisfactory about it. Adding it to the page, simple, you can adjust it. And then the last thing I wanted to see you guys to add would just be a text strip. Let's say we wanted it to be paragraph form. Oops. See, okay. Another good point is the very top for the undo and redo page, like I just needed right then. You can undo if you make any mistakes, which is very nice. Very easy to use site. Add anything you'd like to it. Again, changing the heading, size, font. And if you wanted to change the background, we're going to go straight to design. Can do the whole theme of the website. We can make it more energetic. Changing the color schemes. Like these ones better. We can change even the text colors, headings, what they look like. Do this particular background. What's nice about this is just for this page, not the rest. The other one will be the site theme, so meaning every other page that you create. But when we go to just page customize, it will just be the one that you are on. You can change the color, image, or add a video. We can add an image from our site again, or we can choose one that they provide. The other things that are on here are added apps, if again you wanted to spice up your portfolio, but the basics that you'll just need are the top three. Again, if you wanted to add more pages, we just go to add a page. It could be for your certificates, anything else you wanted to add to your portfolio. This is what it looks like. This is what I created for my curriculum project, what one looks like published. You can make it your own. I love fall, so I made it fall themed. You can add images that move, but the important place is the more button, where I showcase all the different things I added to my website, such as my curriculum project. You want to make sure you are able to have a place where you can put all of the different things that you create in your class. This is the published version. This is my published website. So if you go back again to yours, when you're creating a new one, at the top right, you'll see published. And that is when anyone can see it. The important thing to note is even if you publish it, you can still edit it. So if you need to turn something in and showcase that you are starting your website, you can already publish it and the professor can be able to see it. But if you need to make any adjustments, you can still edit a published website. And if you guys have any other questions, or if this was any bit confusing, please reach out to the professor, let her know your questions. We want to make this as easy as possible. And good luck. And that will be all.